Today, I am reviewing Thermaltake LCGS Quartz i1460 gaming PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're searching for a gaming desktop that delivers both power and style without going overboard on price, the Thermaltake LCGS Quartz i1460 gaming desktop is definitely worth a close look. This system combines a strong balance of performance, cooling, and aesthetics, making it ideal for both everyday use and serious gaming. Let's take a detailed look at what makes this machine stand out. At the heart of the Quartz i1460 is the Intel Core i5-14400F processor, a 14-core CPU built for multitasking and gaming efficiency. With a base speed of 2.5 GHz and a generous 16 MB cache, this processor is more than capable of handling modern titles, streaming, and productivity workloads. Whether you're gaming, editing videos, or running multiple applications at once, this CPU ensures smooth performance without unnecessary lag or slowdowns. Paired with the CPU is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 graphics card. This new generation GPU brings cutting-edge performance and ray tracing capabilities to your games, letting you experience realistic lighting, shadows, and reflections. The RTX 5060 is also built with DLSS technology, meaning you can get higher frame rates without sacrificing visual quality. With 8 GB of GDDR4 video memory, the Quartz i1460 is future-ready for the most demanding titles. From competitive shooters like Valorant or Apex Legends to more graphically intense games like Cyberpunk 2077 or Call of Duty, this system ensures a smooth, immersive gaming experience. Now, memory and storage are critical for a good gaming PC, and Thermaltake has done a solid job here. The Quartz i1460 comes with 16 GB of DDR4 tough RAM running at 3600 MHz, complete with RGB lighting for that extra flair. 16 gigs is enough for gaming and most multitasking scenarios, but the best part is that this system is expandable up to 128 GB, giving you plenty of room to grow in the future. On the storage side, the 1TB NVMe M.2 SSD provides blazing fast boot times, near-instant loading screens, and plenty of space for your games, files, and software. Compared to traditional hard drives, this SSD is a game-changer in speed and responsiveness. Cooling is another area where Thermaltake shines. The Quartz i1460 features an ARGB Tower Air Cooler along with efficient airflow design. The 3mm tempered glass side panel not only showcases the vibrant RGB components inside, but also helps with structural durability. The mesh front panel improves airflow, ensuring that your system stays cool even during long and demanding gaming sessions. With Thermaltake's reputation for excellent cooling solutions, you can trust the system to run stable without overheating. In terms of design, this desktop is sleek, modern, and professional. The tempered glass side panel and RGB lighting make it visually appealing for gamers who love a colorful setup, while the full-length PSU power cover keeps cables neatly hidden for a clean and organized look. It's the kind of desktop you'd be proud to display on your desk. Connectivity is well covered too. With multiple USB ports, HDMI and DisplayPort outputs, and built-in Wi-Fi, the Quartz i1460 is ready for any setup, whether you're connecting VR headsets, dual monitors, or just a simple gaming station. It runs on Windows 11 Home, giving you the latest features and security updates out of the box. One of the advantages of choosing a Thermaltake Prebuilt desktop is peace of mind. The Quartz i1460 comes with a 1-year manufacturer's warranty and solid customer support. Plus, unlike some budget pre-built systems, this desktop uses standard components, making upgrades easy down the road. So, who is this system for? The Thermaltake LCGS Quartz i1460 is perfect for gamers who want reliable performance at 1080p and even 1440p, thanks to the RTX 5060. It's also a great option for students, content creators, and professionals who need a versatile machine that balances performance and price. In summary, the Thermaltake Quartz i1460 gaming desktop is a strong contender in the mid-range gaming PC market. With its powerful Intel Core i5 processor, NVIDIA RTX 5060 graphics card, fast DDR4 memory, and massive 1 TB SSD. It has everything you need to enjoy smooth gaming and productivity. Add to that Thermaltake's signature cooling design, RGB flare, and upgradability, and you've got a desktop that not only performs well today, but will continue to deliver in the future. If you're looking for a gaming desktop that's stylish, powerful, and reliable, the Quartz i1460 deserves a place at the top of your list.